Once again, most welcome to again my YouTube channel. Like the latest the survey available now, peanutLabs survey browser. So please be carefully watching this. So let's start this video. So don't skip this video because I will completely teach you how to be completed this survey now. Make completed permanent every 24 hours. So please be carefully watching this video. If you have this is my wow app application, and I'm using my own email my wow app email use here now. Okay, so when you're using your this is so gender I'm male. So next click him. He's saying to you what is your materials. So I'm here be single user. Next click him. Okay, 50,000 rupees. Okay, I'm not black. My the February. Let's click him. Two. What level of your education you have? College. Employed full time. So which industry do you're in working? Education based now. So which race do you identify? So Asian. Please you using, but listen me, where you belong now. So please you using which I'm belong in Asia country, I'm from to Pakistan, so I'm using Asia country. If you be another country now, so you will use your another side. Okay, so I will click him next. What is your role of with organization? Foreman, because I'm foreman where I'm working now. I'm foreman now. Okay, how many employees do you current employ? Yeah, 51 to 100. Okay, I'm understand to be Arabic. Okay, Hindi, English, Spanish. I'm entiende mucho Spanish idioma. So because I'm the study of the Spanish, so next I click him. So someone you're required to your turn you webcam phone cam to. So here be using yes I accept and agree. Okay, you next click him. So which month come after April? This is the right answer, May. Okay, May. Next